Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth and last Sudoku I will solve in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday. It's Monday, December the 14th, 2020. Weekend is past. So the Monday, let me focus this. Alright. Last Sudoku of today in this additional is a tectonic with 4 stars. This will be number 2012. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, the single box. I'm looking for the single box. Can you see the single box? The single box is here. Alright, that means those 4 boxes surround the one cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And then this box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So 2 boxes left for the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Dual box, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box, the 3 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 2 goes here. If I place a 1 here, then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Well, both boxes cannot be a 1 because we have already a 1 here. So this is not the solution. It cannot be a 1. This should be a 2 and this should be a 1. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box, I think this should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, so definitely a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2, but I see we have already a 2 over there, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, a 3 and a 5. Need to mark them. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. This box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then another single box should be a 1. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So, oh, we already have a 1 here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2 because we need a 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. So cannot be a 1. But also those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, definitely a 4, alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 goes in these two boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. We have another 5. So the only place for a 5 should be here, because in this box cannot be a 5. We have a 5 here. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have another 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. I have marked those two boxes with a 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. 1, 3, 4. So the 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then 2 boxes left in this area for the 4 and the 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Well, we have another 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 2 in this quadrat box. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left in this quadrat box. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this area for the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Alright. I'm missing something. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 5. Overlooked this 5. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Alright, the other part. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. One, two. All right. 4, 5, 4, 5. Ah, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those two boxes together with the 2 as a pair. So one box left for the 3 should be here. So this 3 cannot be a 3. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4, that means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This can be a 2. 2 and 4. This box can be 2 or a 4. Cannot be a 5. So this box should be 1 or 3. 1 or 3. I think this box should be a 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 2 or 4 because we have a 2 and a 4 in those two boxes. So it cannot be a 2 and 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 and a 4 in those two boxes. And it cannot be a 5. So two numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Well, we have a 1, double 1 here, marked. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only digit left should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And one digit left should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. Cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 2. And this should be a 4. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we have here 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, this is a 2. Alright, 2 and a 4. That means those two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. And one box left for the 4. Alright, finished in 13 minutes. I'm very pleased with this time. I like this Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus in the future to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow, Monday, December the 15th. And who knows, the lockdown will come. Yes, lockdown for the 3rd time. So, more puzzles to solve during the lockdown time. So I will see you tomorrow. I hope not for a lockdown. Puzzles are too much, so this is quite good. to solve them and post them on YouTube. So see you later. See you later. See you next time. It will be tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Have a great day.